If you've done everything right with your MS, the diet, the sleep, the supplements, and still feel that deep MS fatigue, it might not be the disease itself.
It might be your potassium, because without it, your nerves can't recharge and your myelin can't rebuild.
Here's the part no one tells you. Potassium isn't just for hydration. It's the signal your brain uses to fire, to move, and to heal. And when it's even slightly off, your body can't repair the damage MS has caused, no matter how clean your diet or how perfect your sleep is.
That imbalance can slow everything down: energy, coordination, focus, even your recovery from training. But when potassium levels rise back into the right range, your neurons start communicating again. That's when real repair begins.
That's exactly what I felt. My strength came back multiplied. My clarity came back so vividly. And I started waking up ready, not dragging myself through the day. If you've ever felt stuck in your recovery, stay with me, because I'm going to show you why potassium might be the quiet switch your nervous system has been waiting for.
Let's start with the basics.
When I started digging into why I still felt so wiped out, even after fixing my diet and sleep, potassium kept showing up in my research. Not in the headlines or flashy studies, but buried in the details. Every time a nerve fires, potassium moves. Every movement, every thought, every repair, all that runs through that exchange.
Your nervous system is powered by something called the sodium-potassium pump. It's what creates the tiny electrical current that lets neurons talk to each other, and it burns through energy constantly. If potassium is too low, those pumps slow down, and so do you.
That hit me so hard, because I realized I was treating my body like a machine that just needed more fuel. Protein, vitamins, supplements, all fine, but without enough potassium, it's like the wiring couldn't carry the current.
And that current doesn't just move signals, it drives repair. Healthy potassium levels help microglia clear debris, help OPCs mature into new myelin-making cells, and keep your neurons stable while they heal.
A feeling of vitality, focus, and clarity replaced the fogginess I had been living with for years. And even my sleep, which used to crash every few nights, finally smoothed out. It felt like my whole system was syncing again.
Because it was. When potassium comes back into balance, it restores the rhythm your nervous system depends on: electrical, muscular, and cellular. That's what turns exhaustion into energy and activity into repair.
I use a supplement that has a very clever name. Potassium supplement by Life Enhancement. Each capsule has 1,020 milligrams of potassium bicarbonate. I take 5 a day. That's 5,100 milligrams total, split throughout the day because potassium levels drop fast. 2 right after I wake up, 1 at midday, and 2 before bed.
That's smart. Potassium moves in and out of cells all day long, so spreading it out keeps your levels steady, especially for the nervous system. And most people today get nowhere near that much.
Exactly. Before agriculture, humans ate 10 to 15 times more potassium than we do now, and almost no sodium. We got it naturally from fruits, roots, and leafy plants. Now, as you know, it's the opposite: high sodium, low potassium. We evolved to thrive on that old ratio, but modern diets flipped it. Processed food traded potassium-rich plants for salt and starch.
And that shift changed our biology. Our cells, especially in the brain, still expect that high potassium environment. When the balance tips the wrong way, neurons fire less efficiently, inflammation rises, and repair slows.
Which makes me think, maybe we didn't just evolve to handle that much potassium. Maybe our brains need it. And most people today just never reach it. Luckily, I found a way to get there safely through a supplement.
And here's where it gets fascinating. Oligodendrocyte precursor cells, or OPCs, actually listen for potassium. When neurons fire, potassium levels around them rise. That signal wakes OPCs out of a dormant state and tells them it's time to rebuild.
So the very act of staying active and keeping potassium available creates the environment for myelin repair. It's not just theory, that's biology at work.
Exactly. Potassium isn't just fueling the signal, it's coordinating the conversation between neurons, OPCs, and even astrocytes to keep white matter healthy. Without enough of it, that communication breaks down. With enough, repair can begin.
Here's the part most people never hear about. Potassium doesn't just carry signals, it helps move energy between brain cells. When neurons fire, oligodendrocytes sense that rise in potassium and respond by sending back fuel, molecules like lactate that powers the neuron's recovery. So, it's not just about the nerve firing cleanly, it's about what happens after the signal, when the repair cells step in to recharge it. That explains why my energy feels so even now. It's not a caffeine rush. It's a steady, calm sense of power that lasts all day long. And while I can only imagine what it might have felt like years ago when the fog first started to lift, today, that clarity, vitality, and focus are just my normal.
Exactly. That potassium exchange is what keeps neurons and glial cells in sync. It's like the nervous system's own feedback loop. Potassium flows out, energy flows back in. When that rhythm's broken, you get fatigue, fogginess, and slower healing. When it's restored, the whole network runs like it's supposed to.
And I'll say it again. This is what changed for me. Focus, strength, and this grounded calm, like my brain finally had enough power again.
And that's what it means for anyone watching. Your body still has the tools to repair itself. It just needs the proper signal. Potassium isn't just another nutrient. It's the current that tells your nervous system you can rebuild now.
If you've been stuck feeling drained or defeated, it might not be the disease. It might not be MS at all. It might be that the current never had enough charge. But once it does, everything starts working again.
Because your body already knows how to repair. It just needs the right environment and the right signal to do what it's built to do.
Until the next video, keep rebuilding from the inside out.